Hello students, myself Rishikesh Kumar Mishra, your science teacher. In today's science class, I will teach you about indicators. So let's start.
Zara and Zen were all excited to perform a series of tests on a few solutions to find out whether they are acidic or basic. Their teacher handed a few yellow colored paper strips. Had before he could return to guide them, Zen had already dropped a few drops of solution on it, and he got surprised that the paper turned bright red. Both Zara and Zen were confused with this magic. How did the paper turn red? The teacher returned and explained that the two had performed one of the detector tests. They were supposed to detect whether the solutions given are acidic or basic.
And since the yellow paper changed color and turned red, it indicated that one solution was tested. But how does this paper tell us the nature of this solution? Do you remember understanding the concept of indicators in the previous video? These are nothing but the substances that help us to detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic without having to test it.
So, is this yellow paper an indicator? Yes, it is. And what is this made up of? It's simply a blotting paper with turmeric applied to it. Turmeric? Yes, it is the same turmeric used in the kitchen. Turmeric is an excellent indicator to detect the acidic or basic nature of the solutions. In this case, the paper turned red when the solution was poured onto it. So, what our indicator tell us? It clearly indicated that the solution was basic. Yes, alkaline substances or solutions turn turmeric into a red color. More the basic nature, brighter the red color will be. And what about acids? Acids have no color change when tested with turmeric. The color of turmeric, which is yellow, remains unchanged. The solution remains unaffected. That is how turmeric helps to differentiate between acids and bases. Acid remain unaffected while basic solutions turn red. And there are more natural substances that can be used as indicators. Yes, there are many in the list. Next, let's look at two more natural indicators which help in detecting the acidic and the alkaline nature of the solutions.
Till now, we are familiar to the concept of indicators.
Indicators are the substances used to detect the acidic or basic nature of the solutions. We have seen how turmeric acts efficiently as a natural indicator.
Now let's talk about another natural indicator, and that is China rose.
China rose is a plant, so how can that be used as an indicator? The fact is the flowers of China rose possess a good ability of detecting acids and bases. So how do we use China rose flower as an indicator? It's very simple. All we have to do is add hot water to the petals of China rose in a beaker and let it rest for some time. This solution can be used as an indicator. When drop of this are added to an acidic solution, then the color of the solution changes to magenta red or a slightly different shade of red for that matter. However, when added to an alkaline solution, the color of the alkali changes to green or yellowish green to be precise. The solution changes color in very less time, and that is how we use China rose as an indicator.
However, sometimes it's not very convenient to add the indicator to the solution.
In such cases, some different types of system is required, something more efficient. So in such cases, litmus paper comes to our rescue. What are litmus papers? Well, before that, tell me, have we came across the term lichens? Yes. We have studied in biology that the symbiotic relation of algae and fungi gives us the unit called lichens. The major function of lichens in the ecosystem is that they act as a pollution indicator. Their growth is hindered when there is excessive pollution. As a result, chemical changes in the body of lichens can give us indication of the nature of substances that come in contact with them. So, substance extracted from a lichen's body called litmus is used as a natural indicator for chemical purposes, especially in detecting the acidic and basic nature of the solutions. The litmus obtained from a lichen's body is a mixture of dyes that are usually absorbed on a filter paper.
This paper made with litmus on it is used as an indicator for detecting acids and bases.
Two colors of litmus paper are usually available: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper, when comes in contact with acid, displays no color change but turns blue in presence of a base. In contrast to this, the blue litmus paper turns red on contacting an acid, while it remains unchanged in a basic solution. This is how several compounds used as indicators that help us in detecting the acidic and alkaline nature of the solutions. Let us now move ahead and find out what happens when we mix an acid and a base. But we know this already. We have seen that an acid and a base when mixed gives us salt and water. Let's study this neutralization reaction in details in the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.